Welcome. Today we are continuing with paper 2, part 1, revision 12, question 2b. Find what Jesus said about John the Baptist to his disciples. 6 marks. He was the greatest prophet. His mission had been prophesied in the scripture. He was a messenger, lived in the wilderness, led a simple life, a Nazarite. People had accused him of being possessed by a demon. Question 2c. Explain ways in which church leaders should respond to members who oppose them in their work. Marks. Investigate the reason, forgive them, pray for them, listen to their ideas, fellowship with them, assist them. You look for ways to assist them. Change approach to issues. Explain the truth humbly. Encourage them. Assist them. Visit their homes and recognize their efforts. Question 3a. Describe the triumphant entry of Jesus into Jerusalem as found in Luke 19 from verse 28 to 40. 7 marks. Jesus sent 2 of his disciples to a village and a cold tide that no one had sat on. Bring it back to Jesus. If anyone asked them why they were untying it, they say the Lord has need of it. They went and found it as he had told them. They untied, and when the owner asked them when they were untying it, they said the Lord has need of it. They brought it to Jesus, laid garments on it, and set Jesus on it. Jesus rode along as people spread their garments on the road. As they approached Mount Olives, the whole crowd began to rejoice, praising God, saying, "Blessing is the King who comes in the name of the Lord, in heaven and glory to the highest." And Pharisees asked Jesus, "Rebuke the disciples for rejoicing." Jesus answered that if they were silent, the very stones would cry out. And 3b. Outline the events that took place from the time Jesus was arrested to the time he was sentenced to die. 7 marks. At arrest, he was taken to the chief priest's house. Peter followed him from a distance as a sign of fear. He joined a group of people warming themselves in the courtyard. He made 2 other people identified Peter as one of Jesus' disciples. Peter denied Jesus 3 times. The cock crowed. Jesus looked at Peter, and Peter wept bitterly, showing his guilt. Jesus was mocked. He was beaten. He was taken to the Sanhedrin, who made religious accusation, and was taken to Pilate, who made political accusations. He was sent to Herod, who questioned and ridiculed him. He was taken back the second time to Pilate, who said that he did not find him guilty. Pilate chose Jesus to be flogged, but the crowd shouted that they wanted him to be crucified, and Pilate surrendered Jesus for crucifixion. Question 3c. Read 7 lessons Christians learn from the suffering and death of Jesus. Christians should have faith in God, endure suffering, forgive their enemies, repent their sins, be obedient to God and for the truth, sacrifice for service of others, be prayerful, witness for Christ, be courageous. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you want I look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.